that bush.
Did you get him well? Oh, I fucking did.
Running. Oh, shout, someone there.
Yep, nice. Save that.
One down with the minigun. Why'd you push up?
Yeah, mate, I've sorted it, Rick. Mate, I've sorted it. I'm not going to kick no more. Oh, it's done, baby. There's one in that bump down there.
Mind yourself, guys, mind yourself. Oh.
See straight through, between them two sheet bits of metal,
Yeah.
you know with the V,
Yeah.
that dead shrubbery in there. In there. Coming through there.
How close you say?
The other side of the shrubbery.
50 metres?
Just hammer it through them shrubs. It won't penetrate it. It's fucking low.
No, they keep their heads down, sir. That not get you, mate, surely?
No burning pyro! It's a fucking minigun, a fucking course! To be fair, I'd rather that than that. Fucking hell, that really does fire like food.
Go, 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 go! Put a few rounds down, boys.
Three of them, it's fucking sick.
Still a guy behind that tree, I think. Yeah, and it's shooting through. Back behind that tree again. Yep. Behind that tree again. Here! Coming through, coming through. Gilly! How you doing, bruv?
Who's that?
It's, he who does airsoft, Jimmy and Ben.
Ah, yeah.
How you doing, bruv? Alright?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, cool.
I've been, third death just on this little hill.
Yeah, I'm literally just started. There was three of us with miniguns just sat there fucking ripping it, but yeah, it's a fuck fest.
Bit of a fuck fest,
Yeah, it's too much of a fuck fest, mate.